Right, another quick update. A couple of coats later, really nice and dark and blue. It's got a really good luster. You can't really tell the camera, but it looks spot on. By the time it dries, it'll obviously come out a bit darker, and then I'll sand it. It'll come out a bit lighter, and then a bit of clear coat, and she'll be spot on. From the view of the milling vise that you are currently looking through, it does look like it's lost a lot of its grain compared to what it did look like, which was that. That's a significant colour change, I'd say. But then I just take a bit of the ink off. Doesn't look that bad now, does it? From that to that. Give it a light sand, throw some clear coat over it, she'll be right.